Islands are nature's ultimate testing grounds, where isolation has led to the evolution of some of the weirdest and most unique creatures on Earth. From tiny animals with bizarre adaptations to strange species found nowhere else, these creatures are truly one of a kind. In today's video, we're counting down the top 3 weirdest species found only on remote islands. Get ready for some mind-blowing discoveries. You won't believe some of the incredible creatures that call these remote islands home. At number 3, we have the coconut crab, nature's ultimate island giant. This massive land-dwelling crustacean is found on remote islands across the Indian and Pacific Oceans, and it's the largest terrestrial arthropod in the world. With a leg span reaching up to 3 feet, 1 meter, and a weight of around 9 pounds, 4 kilograms, this crab is an absolute powerhouse. What makes the coconut crab so bizarre? For starters, it can crack open coconuts with its claws, which are strong enough to exert more force than the bite of most predators. These crabs are expert climbers, often scaling trees in search of food. Despite their name, they don't just eat coconuts, they're omnivores, feasting on fruits, nuts, carrion, and even other crabs. Adding to their weirdness, coconut crabs start life in the ocean like regular hermit crabs, using snail shells for protection. But as they grow, they develop a hardened exoskeleton and abandon their shells, becoming fully adapted to land. In fact, they'll drown if submerged in water for too long. Their massive size, bizarre behavior, and sheer strength make them one of the strangest island species on the planet. But despite their dominance, habitat destruction and human hunting have put some populations at risk. Coming in at number 2 is the kakapo, a one-of-a-kind parrot that can't fly. Native to New Zealand, the kakapo is the world's heaviest parrot, and it behaves more like a fluffy green owl than a typical bird. Unlike other parrots that soar through the treetops, the kakapo prefers to waddle and climb its way around. At night, it roams the forest floor, using its powerful legs to hop long distances. And when it wants to attract a mate, the male makes a deep, booming call that can be heard from miles away. Sadly, due to habitat loss and introduced predators, the kakapo almost disappeared. But thanks to dedicated conservation programs, these quirky birds are making a slow but steady comeback. Today, only about 250 kakapos remain, making it one of the rarest birds in the world. Each kakapo even has its own unique personality. Some are known to be playful and curious, even approaching humans, while others are more shy and reclusive. Scientists and conservationists have worked tirelessly to protect the kakapo, using radio tracking, intensive breeding programs, and even hand-rearing chicks to ensure their survival. With continued efforts, there's hope that future generations will get to witness this rare and fascinating bird in the wild. And at number 1, we have a species so strange, it looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. Meet the blue dragon, a tiny yet deadly sea slug found in the waters around remote tropical islands. Only about an inch long, this stunning creature floats upside down on the ocean's surface, using the wind and waves to drift wherever it pleases. But don't let its beauty fool you. This little dragon is a poisonous thief. It feeds on venomous jellyfish like the Portuguese man-o'-war, stealing their toxins and storing them in its own body. If touched, the blue dragon can deliver a painful sting more powerful than the jellyfish itself. Despite its deadly nature, the blue dragon remains a mesmerizing example of how strange and wonderful island ecosystems can be. In addition to its remarkable ability to steal venom, the blue dragon also exhibits fascinating survival tactics. Its vibrant, iridescent blue color acts as a warning to predators, signaling its toxicity. This stunning hue is not only for show, it's a key part of its defense mechanism. When threatened, the blue dragon can curl up into a tight spiral, making it even harder to grasp. It's a perfect example of nature's intricate design, showing how evolution has shaped such unique creatures to thrive in their environments. Thanks for hanging out with me, everybody. I'll catch you next time. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content.